scroll a page, how to scroll a page using mouse, and how to capture the screenshot of a page. First, we'll talk about how to capture the screenshot of a page. Note down this. Capturing screenshot of a page. Capturing screenshot of a page. See, generally in two scenarios, we need to capture the screenshot of a page. A test case fails. Better I want to capture the screenshot of a page and send it to the developer. Or when there is an exception occurred, at what scenario the exception occurred, I would like to take a screenshot. In these two scenarios, generally in Selenium script, we have to capture the screenshot of the window. Make a short note about it. In the following two scenarios, we can capture the screenshot of a window. The following two scenarios we can capture the screenshot of a window. Scenario 1, first scenario, when a test case fails. When a test case fails. The other scenario, second one, when an exception occurred. When an exception occurred during runtime. When an exception occurred during runtime. So in these two situations, better to have a screenshot of the window, how the application appeared during runtime. When the test case fails, I want to capture the screenshot of the window so that I can intimate my developer, this is how application appeared during runtime. Or when we're executing a test case, some exception occurred. The moment when the exception occurred, I would like to capture how application appeared during runtime. In these two practical scenarios, we need to capture the screenshot of the window. Let us see what kind of Selenium code we have to build to capture the screenshot of the window. And this code will launch as the Primus Bank application. I want to continue the code to log in as admin. I want to write the code here to log in as administrator. There's ID property here. Find the element by its ID. Enter the username value admin. There's ID property available for the password element. Enter the password value. And I want to click the login element. I made code up to login as administrator in Primus Bank application. Then I want to click the change password element. I'll take this SRC property to click the change password image. And click it. Now here we know we are getting some runtime error when we click the change password. I want to make Selenium to capture this window as a screenshot so that this I can able to forward to my developer. How the application appeared when there is a defect. When I click change password, I am getting this window. I want to capture the screenshot of this window with the Selenium code. Right. Here I'll write the code to capture the screenshot of the window. Let's see what is available in Selenium to capture the screenshot of the window. In the Selenium main package, org.openqa.selenium, there's a class here. What is the class name? Here I'm highlighting the class name. What is the class name?
Take screenshot.
Take screenshot is a class. Provided only one function, the function name get screenshot as. This function we have to use to capture the screenshot of the window. Class name take screenshot. Method name get screenshot as. What actually you want to capture the screenshot? What you want to capture the screenshot? How the window appeared during runtime. Your WebDriver focus available at a window. The window where the WebDriver focus available during runtime, that window I want to capture the screenshot. Let's see the code. Take screenshot is a class name. Actually, it is an interface, a superclass. TS take screenshot equal to I'm converting the take screenshot type to WebDriver type. It's called actually converting one class to other class. I'm not creating an object for this because it is an interface, not a class. I'm converting the driver object to take screenshot. Wherever the driver focus available during runtime, the window where the driver focus available during runtime, that I need to capture the screenshot. There's a method get screenshot as. It needs one input, output type. Whatever the screenshot you are capturing, I want to save in Java memory, output type as a file. The return type is a file. The entire Windows screenshot we are storing in a Java memory of type file. In java.io package, there is a class called file class. The right side expression returns a file. Whatever the screenshot taken returns a file. This I'm taking into, for example, SRC file, source file. Listen. This is my Selenium test case. Let's say this is the memory of the test case. This is your application under test window. You are making to Selenium to capture the window as a screenshot. This we are keeping in a Java memory of type file. Get screenshot as a file, the file available in the memory. The file present in the memory, I have to copy into some location. No, as of now understood? Your Selenium is capturing the screenshot of the window. We are saving in a memory, in your Java memory, as a file. This file I have to copy into the required location. As of now, the file available in the, as of now, the file is available at, yes sir. Your Selenium capturing the screenshot as a file. We are storing in a variable of type file. Where is this file available as of now?
Java memory.
The Java memory. The file present in the Java memory I want to store in my D drive or C drive or somewhere. I have to copy the file present in the Java memory into the required location. Listen. To perform some file operation, copying a file, deleting a file, duplicating a file, creating a folder, deleting a folder, renaming a folder, renaming a file. For all file-related operations, there is a free API available for Java, Apache Commons.io. It's a Java API, Apache Commons.io, a free API. I'm downloading it. Downloaded. A very simple library will show you. Apache Commons.io. It comes with a jar file, Commons.io jar. This file I'm copying, the jar file I'm copying in some location, say in temp folder I'm putting. For performing some file operation, file-related operation, I'm associating a library, Java library, Apache Commons.io. This one. I have associated a library, Apache Commons.io. In this package, there is a class called fileutils. Where is this class, in Java or in Selenium? Not in both. In Apache Commons.io, there is a class called fileutils. In this file utils class, I have all, folder related, file related operation, copy file. This can be used to copy a file present in the Java memory to the desired location, required location. To make use of this file utils class only, I have associated an external jar file, Apache Commons IO. In Apache Commons.io, just now whatever we have associated, there is a class called file utils. Here there is a method copy file. It needs two inputs, source file, destination file. Two inputs are of type file. Which file you want to copy, where you want to copy. Two arguments it requires. This source file available in the Java memory, I want to copy to the required location. Two inputs are of type file. Anyhow, SRC file is a type file. Here I am creating one more file object, target file or destination file equal to new file, the location where you want to copy. In my C drive, temp folder, I given some name, change password underscore defect BMP. I created a new file. This is the location. Copy file. I want to copy to the required location, target file. Now this is a target file. Here I want to copy. The file present in the Java memory, I want to copy to the target location, this location. We need to add an exception called input-output exception, IO exception. For any reason Java not able to copy, we get IO exception, done. This is the code we have created to capture the screenshot and copy to the required location. Let me run this code. Your script should capture this window as a screenshot, should store in the given location. Please observe now. Just now this file was created. Change password defect. Your Selenium script able to capture the screenshot of the window. Let us have a small walkthrough on this code again. Till this point, just once again, understand the code for capturing the screenshot of the window. Selenium provided interface called take screenshot. Provide a method get screenshot as. I'm converting the WebDriver object to the type take screenshot. And there is a method get screenshot as returns a output file, returns a file available in the memory. To copy the file present in the Java memory to the desired location, I have downloaded and associated Apache Commons.io, and Apache Commons.io library provide a class called file utils. The file utils class provide a method called copy file, which needs the source file, the file you want to copy, and where you want to copy. So this is a code used to build to capture the screenshot of the window. Yes, online team, if you have any questions on this, I'll clarify this. This is a code we have created to capture the screenshot of the window. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Right. Right. Take some short description about it. The concept description you take. I said in the two scenarios we can able to capture the screenshot of the window, contain the nodes for capturing the screenshot. Selenium provided. So online team seem noise coming. Selenium provided take screenshot interface. Take screenshot interface. Take screenshot interface. It provide a method. It provide a method. Get screenshot as. Get screenshot as. It provided a method. Get screenshot as, which captures the window where driver focus available, during runtime. It captures the window as a screenshot where driver focus available during runtime. Continuation. Get screenshot as method. Get screenshot as method returns a file. Returns a file. Get screenshot as method returns a file. Next paragraph. Apache Commons IO. Apache Commons IO. Common input output related operations are all available in Apache Commons IO library. Apache Commons IO is a Java library. Is a Java library provided file utils class. Provided file utils class. This class provided a method. This class provided a method copy file. This class provided a method copy file, which copies the file present in the Java memory. Which copies the file present in Java memory. Which copies the file present in Java memory to the specified location. To the specified location. Which copies the file present in the Java memory to the required or specified location. So finally, using get screenshot as method, and we are capturing the screenshot initially into the Java memory. The file present in the memory we are storing in the required location using file utils class method, copy the file. You don't have file utils class method in Java or in Selenium. That reason we have downloaded another free library called Apache Commons.io, which provided a file utils class. The file utils class provided a ready-made method, copy file, which is used to copy the file present in the Java memory to the specified required location. So these are code we have to build to capture the screenshot of the window. In two practical scenarios, we need to capture the screenshot of the window. When a test case failed and some exception occurred, I want to capture the screenshot of the window. How does the application appear during runtime? In this context, generally we use this kind of code to capture the screenshot of the window. Let me explain the other small topic. Script to scroll a page. Script to scroll a page. A script to scroll a page. See here, in some scenarios, we need to scroll a page to perform some actions on the page. Here I want to make Selenium to scroll a page. I'm doing it manually now. Okay. Here, I want to scroll this page. Scroll this window. Actually, it's not a page. It is, and I think 100% it will be a frame, iframe. The main window has one more window here, right? What is the main window here? WT School's homepage. There is an inner window here. Let's see what it is. This kind of window generally are inner HTML windows. Yes. There are multiple iframes here. The previously I have explained one scenario where a page has only one frame. We have multiple frames here. It's not highlighting, but it is not actually inside the frame. So there are many frames here. This is actually the main window. If I simply use call option, the main window will be scrolled. If I want to scroll down this, we have to move the driver focus to this area. First, we need to understand what actually this area. Directly I open, we try the code. It is not inside a frame. It's a main window only. You're getting what I'm trying to do? Alan, you are understanding what I'm trying to do?
Yes, sir.
No, I mean, before I never write the code on this, let us try this.
Let's put.
Manikanta, please mute. It is not inside a frame. Let's see. I think if I use simply Pascal option, this will be scrolled. We want to scroll this. We'll see first on this. Now here, I want to scroll a page with the Selenium code. How to scroll the page? Here we need to call one of the JavaScript function. There is a JavaScript function window dot scroll by. Window.scrollby is one of the JavaScripting function. Actually, it is a JavaScript. This JavaScript library function we have to call from the Selenium. Window.scrollby. X and Y coordinates. X meaning horizontal scroll, Y meaning vertical scroll. These JavaScript function we have to call from the Selenium. In the Selenium, the main package org.openqa.selenium, like take screenshot as there is a interface called with that. So what is the interface name here? JavaScript executor is an interface like take screenshot. The JavaScript executor interface provide a method called execute the script. Any JavaScript function we can call from the Selenium using this JavaScript executor class and its method execute script. JavaScript executor. To call any JavaScript function, JavaScript library function from the Selenium, there is an interface available in the Selenium called JavaScript executor. I'm giving some name equal to same the JavaScript executor, the driver object, WebDriver object, I'm converting to JavaScript executor type. Wherever the driver focus available, there I want to call a JavaScript function. There's a method called execute script. The function you want to call to be mentioned. The function is this window.scrollby. The window.scrollby. X coordinates and Y coordinates. X I am giving 0. Horizontally I do not want to scroll. Vertically I want to scroll. I am giving say 500 pixels. Just for your understanding, I am putting thread dot slip here. Wait for 2 seconds. Now perform the horizontal scroll. Vertical scroll. X coordinates I have given 0. Y coordinates I have given 500. Let me run this code. It will perform the vertical scroll operation. After 2 seconds, 500 pixels vertically scrolled. 500 pixels vertically scrolled. Okay. Wait for 5 seconds. I'm giving 1500 pixels. The vertical scroll. It's launching booking.com. For your observation, I made Selenium to wait for 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, the code what I have implemented to perform a vertical scroll operation carried out. See, the page was scroll up to 1500 pixels. If you want to scroll horizontally, X coordinates we have to give. If you want to scroll vertically, Y coordinates we have to give. This code is scrolling a page, specified number of pixels vertically. Here for your understanding. X, Y coordinates, this is syntax. I'm putting this as a comment section. I no need to say about X and Y. X meaning X coordinate, horizontal, Y meaning vertical. Right. See, I want to scroll a page, but I do not know how many pixels I want to scroll down. 500, 1200, 1800, I do not know. I want to scroll a page up to visibility of some element, register. This is the first window. I want to scroll the page up to visibility of some element. Say register. How to do this? So register is a link. We have some white spaces before register. After register, I have to use partial link text. There are some white spaces here. Well, I do not know how many pixels I want to scroll down. I want to scroll down a page up to visibility of some element. For example, register. What to do? Same. Execute the script. There is some function. I always forget the function name. Arguments of 0 dot scroll in to view something. I'll explain. Scroll in to view JavaScript function. There are many JavaScript libraries available. Thousands of JavaScript libraries available in web development. Not this. Arguments of 0, scroll into view. Arguments of 0, scroll into view. The element register. Arguments of 0, scroll into view is a function. Up to which element? Second argument. Let me run this code now. After 5 seconds, I made Selenium to scroll the page up to visibility of the specified element. Any mistake in my code? Okay, here also we have some register. In the top of the page, there is some register. That is the problem we are getting. It's not scrolling because scroll up to visibility of the element register. In the top, it is available. I'll take one more element, which is available in the bottom. England. Okay. Or up to this. Previously, the register available in the top, hence it is not scrolling. Name property 2. Find the element by the name property 2. Scroll the page up to visibility of this element. After 5 seconds, scroll, okay. Okay. It is available here, right? Here. Scroll the page up to visibility of this element. One more time, I'll run this code. We have to use one of the JavaScript function, arguments of 0, scroll into view. You need to specify the second argument as up to which element you want to scroll down a page. Yes, up to this element, the window was scrolled down. We have given the properties of this element. Script 2, scroll page to visibility of the specified, right. Maybe later you can have a try on this one, this kind of applications. Or only this also. Because we need to inspect the properties of the elements clearly, then only I can able to build the code. Later I'll build the code. This one. Generally, I think if I simply use scroll, this main window will be scrolled. I want to perform the scroll here. If I want to perform the scroll here, I think it is a window inside this main window.
In our batch, last time we tried it, sir. This one.
It's worked?
Yes, sir, it's worked.
It's executed?
Yes, sir, it is executed on that time.
Okay, no, sorry, don't mind. I am very absent mind. Then how I have prepared it?
First, we change the driver focus to the in iframe level. Then we need to try to that.
Yes, but that's okay. But it's not showing under iframe. No, when I move the mouse over here, it's not highlighting. No doubt it is iframe only, but why it is not highlighting, that's what I'm checking. Okay, these are one. This frame we have used the time. Recapture, there is a capture somewhere. It's another frame. Okay, maybe driver dot, switch to frame. We have to move the driver focus to this frame. Then if I do action scroll, automatically scroll operation may be performed here. So frame 2. It's not required anyhow for our observation I'm putting. Driver dot, switch to the frame. This particular frame. Switch to this particular frame. After moving the driver focus to the frame, scroll into visibility of the element. Maybe I'll take one element here. HTML canvas. It's a link. HTML canvas. Find element by the link text. HTML canvas. Let me try this. No. This area we have to move the driver focus to this. It's not iframe 2. First, let's see what is the exception I'm getting. No such element exception. Then it is not iframe 2. Did I given the code last time for this?
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir. Just explaining the concept, sir.
The concept is this, but only we need to make Selenium to identify this, move the driver focus to this window, that's it. Remaining is same. We have to make the code to move to this particular area. If I know what exactly this area, the problem is done. Okay, without moving, let's see. Maybe I think it is on the main window. If it is on the main window, you don't need to move the driver focus to any frame. Yes, it's on the main window. I thought it is inside the frame. No. You please observe now. Did you observe that? Online team?
Yes, sir.
It is moving the focus up to the visibility of the element HTML canvas. It is not inside a frame. I think previously it is inside a frame. I didn't remember. If really it is inside a frame, we have to move driver focus to the frame, then the same code. Okay, it's not a frame, then leave it. If really you have a frame like that, we have to move the driver focus to the frame, that's it. It's another example here. to visibility of the specified element. Okay. Even for your understanding only, I put thread.zip. Truly speaking, thread.zip also not required. Well, so any other topic you wanted? I thought these two. Almost done. Okay. We'll do one thing then. Almost, I mean, find time. Almost all topics are done. Yes. You are in morning 8 o'clock batch. Yes, I mean, some evening batch students also are attending. These two topics I have not covered in your class actually.
Yes.
It's clear now?
Yes.
Right. Okay. Only these two topics are missed actually. Fairly, first offline people, fresher or experience? Experience, how much? Hmm? Okay. Online people, please fairly raise your hands. How many of you are planning for experience? Fairly raise your hands. So there are many Congress symbols. Oh, more than 50%. Did you attend the grooming sessions?
Yes, sir.
Was you
Yes, sir.
not attended? No, we scheduled the grooming session for even evening batch already finished. For you also it is scheduled, right? The grooming interview preparation sessions. Schedule, you have not attended. Okay, that I cannot do anything. Okay. Well, I'll do one thing. I stop here today. And tomorrow, it's about 1.5 hours, I'll give a complete revision on the selenium. From the day one topic till the last topic, we'll have a complete quick revision on the selenium tomorrow. If time not permits, tomorrow, even day after tomorrow. The 2 sessions, I'll give the complete revision on the selenium from the beginning till the last class. Okay? So then officially we can conclude the session. The other batch students, SQL after the selenium revision, I'll take SQL session. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Right. We'll continue tomorrow. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow, we'll have a complete revision on the selenium. If you have any questions to me, post your questions, even I clarify. Otherwise, majorly, like what kind of Java knowledge where we have to focus, and what are the areas we need to focus on the selenium to crack the interview. We'll have a complete revision like that. Okay? Thank you. We continue tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, online team. We'll